Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close down your Sellfy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to close down your Sellfy account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know, it's pretty common to sometimes switch over to different software providers. So you want to be sure to close down the ones you're not using. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close down your Sellfy account, you're going to click on your company name here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click on account settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in the account settings menu, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this section, delete account. Now they do warn you that if you delete your account and order information and any uploaded files will be permanently removed from Sellfy. You cannot recover these. You will also lose access to your account and any uploaded files. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on delete account. Okay, once you do that, Sellfy is going to ask you to enter in your account password to confirm that you're okay with losing all of your account data. Once you've entered in your password, click on delete account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Sellfy account, but there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete your Sellfy account permanently, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.